For much of its 30 years on sale, the Honda Odyssey has welcomed families to the minivan segment with clever features and a reputation for the kind of mechanical reliability that makes it a safe purchase. Though minivan sales have suffered in recent years, the Odyssey continues to entice shoppers to stick with the family bus. The 8-seater is Honda at its old-school best, with a quick accelerating V6 engine, a refined ride, solid handling, heaps of room, and excellent practical features enough to earn it a spot on our 2024 Editor's Choice list. Its novel Magic Slide seat system allows you to position the second-row seats in a variety of ways, including a configuration that'll keep feuding kiddies appropriately separated. The third row disappears into a recess in the floor to allow for more cargo space. The cabin lacks the plethora of tech features found in rivals like the Chrysler Pacifica or the Kia Carnival, but the Odyssey's infotainment suite offers more than just the necessities. There's an optional rear seat entertainment system that not only keeps youngsters occupied, but also has an in-car camera with a view of the rear quarters and a PA system that lets parents speak to the youngsters through their headphones or the car speakers. Look out, kids, now moms and dads really do have eyes in the back of their heads. The only engine available in any Odyssey is a 3.5-liter V6 making 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. Modest numbers for a 4,500-pound hauler, but Honda engineers tuned the 10-speed automatic to provide the best reflexes. The result is a fleet-footed, efficient, and polished sweetheart that drives contentedly. The Odyssey even changes direction with such crispness that drivers might forget they're piloting a 3-row people box. We wouldn't mind a bit more feedback from the light yet direct steering, but the Odyssey remains the best driving entry in the segment. Every Odyssey we've tested delivered a comfortable ride, but we felt the 18-inch wheels fitted to an EXL trim we tested gave us a more isolation from bad pavement than the 19-inchers on the top Elite trim. The Odyssey is rated at 19 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway, according to the EPA. In our real-world highway testing, our test vehicle outperformed its EPA estimate, delivering 30 miles per gallon. For comparison, our long-term Pacifica managed 33 miles per gallon. For more information about the Odyssey's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. The Odyssey has a lot of what parental units need. A quiet cabin helps maintain parental calm, the available in-cabin camera and PA system help maintain parental control, the household power outlets and HDMI interface keep parental options open. The Odyssey's second and third rows are among the roomiest in the class. Those Magic Slide seats in the second row are far more comfortable than the Pacifica's stow-and-go second-row seats, and the Honda's chairs can move both side to side and fore and aft, allowing for multiple configurations that keep the peace when sibling rivalries escalate. The price for that comfort is a bit less practicality and ultimate cargo space. Each Magic seat weighs 68 pounds, making removal a workout, and the sliding tracks on the floor create small obstacles for loading cargo. When we removed the Magic seats and stowed the third row in our Odyssey tester, we were able to fit one fewer carry-on suitcase than we could in the Pacifica. Infotainment and connectivity. All Odysseys get an 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, called Display Audio. The software allows for customization of the menu layout and smartphone connectivity not only via Bluetooth, but also via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. Standard on both the Touring and Elite is a rear seat entertainment system with built-in streaming apps. Safety and driver assistance features. Honda Sensing is a suite of driver assistance technology that comes standard on all Odyssey models. It includes features such as blind spot warning, forward collision warning, and traffic sign recognition. For more information about the Odyssey's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Honda's standard warranty package on the Odyssey mirrors that of most of rivals, with nothing that stands out from the competition. The Kia Carnival is the warranty winner here, with a 10-year policy for its powertrain and a limited warranty that lasts 2 years longer than any of its rivals. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance is covered for 2 years or 24,000 miles.
9. Received the Motor Week Driver's Choice Best EV Award for 2024. Last year, the 2023 Kia F6 also received the